All right, the winter weather that began our work week is all but done. We're going to get a nice break, but we want to let everyone know that Wednesday, particularly late in the day into Thursday morning, a winter storm watch has been posted for much of the region, and here is why. This snow that we got across the valley, here's some we picked out from the parking lot, and I got it on a plate here. It's very light, it's very fluffy. It came down with little or no wind, but we're expecting that wind to pick up, and this stuff will just flop around all over the place, and it's going to cause near blizzard conditions for some across the valley, and I'll have to watch my step as we take a look at our current conditions. Some breaks in the clouds out to the west, 14 degrees right now, wind only 5 miles per hour. Not much of a wind chill to be concerned about. Temperatures coolest out to the west, where we have near zero in Devil's Lake, and after 6 to 7 inches in your area, clear skies and calm winds, you're going to briefly see temperatures really bottom out. Elsewhere, we're right near 10 to 15 degrees region-wide, temperature-wise, and winds, not so much of a problem, although we might have some light drifting down in the southern valley. By the way, down here, anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of snow reported through the southern valley. You get out south of Jamestown, there was significant amounts all the way through the central Red River Valley, including Devil's Lake, with substantial snow there, and some 7-inch reports in and around the Bemidji area as well. Clouds holding on for now in the valley. Here's our brief, quiet clearing trend. More clouds out to the west as we show you the setup now. Major winter weather taking place in the Central Plains today, but this system here is a warm front that's going to be pushing through, and there is an associated cold front with it. As that makes its way into the valley, we're going to see south winds for the better part of the day. Might have a little bit of blowing, but it'll take later hours into the day for the cold front to make its way through. Those northwest winds will become quite robust. And from Wednesday night into Thursday, all of that snow is going to be rearranging itself across the valley, and visibilities will be tough and wind chills will be even tougher. As we go through the evening tonight, temperatures are going to fall as we go through this quiet spell, light winds, and some of us will dip down below zero, maybe even here in the FM area. If we're clear long enough, we could quickly fall with temperatures of 5 to 10, not out of the question briefly. But as we go towards daybreak, we're going to see south winds out ahead of our warm front set up, and temperatures will actually warm out to the west into the teens. Heading through the midday, it looks like the warm front pushes through. Can't rule out a spotty flake or two of snow from this system as it works its way through, but it's not the snowfall that's going to be the problem. It's going to be the potential increase in winds. Now, some areas will be protected inside cities and the like, but open country could be quite dangerous because we'll have temperatures that will be dipping down into the single digits, even below zero into Thursday morning, with just a little additional snow. Forget those numbers. We're talking a trace to an inch. The snow that's already here is going to cause the problem. So temperatures near 2 above in Fargo to start your day. Some breaks in the clouds and temperatures rising to 21 degrees. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour become northerly late. We're talking about 8 p.m. or so in Fargo. So a lot of teens, some lower 20s in parts of southeast North Dakota for your midweek planner. Here's a look at some rabbits out there trying to find a little bit of lunch out there, or supper. Thank you so much for uploading your photo. Here's a look at the planning forecast. Potential ground blizzard into Thursday morning. Look at these temperatures, 12 below to start Thursday morning. Wind chills will be absolutely brutal all day below zero, but the coldest of the air is on Friday. It could be even colder than that with this fresh snow that we have around Melanie. And it looks like we warm up briefly. Another shot of snow, potential storm system, Sunday into Monday, and then another shot of Arctic air.
So not really any relief in sight until Sunday. It'll be a little warmer.
Not full of a lot of great news if you like warm weather.
No, that's okay. Thank you, Hutch.